Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. Burp Suite is a well-known tool that is good for hackers to look for security loopholes in web apps. It lets users see and change the data that is sent between a web browser and the internet. They can use this to find problems like broken logins or weaknesses in security that are hidden. The company who made Burp Suite is Portswigger. This is a well-known company that makes great security tools. Ethical hackers love it because it has everything they need in one place, from checking web apps for bugs to testing. Professionals in computer security choose it because it's powerful and easy to use. This tool has so many extensions, like repeater, intruder, comparer, sequencer, and lots more which you can use in the extension part of Burp Suite. In this demo, we will demonstrate the steps for installing Burp Suite and its components. Burp Suite is developed by a company called Portswigger, and this is a powerful tool widely used by ethical hackers and penetration testers. Burp Suite is also frequently used by real-world attackers. Let's begin by setting up Burp Suite in our Kali Linux environment, which we installed in the previous demo. Before we begin, please make sure your Kali Linux is set up and ready to go. Burp Suite comes pre-installed in Kali Linux. To open it, click on the application menu in the top left corner. Next, type Burp into the search bar. Select it from the list and launch application. Now click Next, then choose Start Burp. Burp Suite will begin launching. If this is your first time using it, it may take a few moments to initialize. Once it loads, you'll see the Burp Suite interface. We're using the Community Edition, as indicated in the title bar of the window. There are two versions available, the free Community Edition and the paid Professional Edition. For this demo, we'll continue with the Community Edition, which is available to everyone at no cost. Our next step is to access the Proxy tab from the top menu bar and open the browser. To do this, click Open Browser. This launches a Chromium-based browser provided by Portswigger. With the browser now open, let's intercept some web traffic by visiting google.com. First, return to the Burp Suite interface and go to the Proxy tab, then select the Intercept subtab. Make sure Intercept is enabled so we can capture requests between the client and the server. Now go back to the browser and enter google.com in the search bar. At this point, you should see a captured request between the client and the server in Burp Suite. Right-click on the request. You will see major extensions such as Send to Intruder, Send to Repeater, Send to Sequencer, Send to Comparer, Send to Decoder, and Send to Organizer. You can also view request details and session information. To pass the request to the server, click the Forward button at the top of the Intercept subtab. To stop intercepting further traffic, click the Intercept is on button in the Intercept tab. Forwarding is particularly useful when navigating websites that require multiple page interactions. That wraps up our demo on setting up and using Burp Suite in Kali Linux.